It's estimated that more than 5 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's disease. There is no cure, but there is hope. Some of the most promising research is taking place right here in Southwest Florida. The Roskamp Institute in Manatee County has just developed a new drug. SNN Local News 6 reporter Charles Brown has more on that.
Alzheimer's is caused by the deposition in the brain of this stuff, which is a protein called amyloid.
Dr. Michael Mullen is director of the Roskamp Institute, which was founded in 2003. The institute has developed a new drug called nilvatapine. The drug is awaiting approval from the Food and Drug Administration.
The FDA, our issue with the FDA right now is we have to make sure that the shelf life of this drug is good. It has to be able to literally sit around for months.
Nilvatapine has been tested on mice with Alzheimer's, and the results of that testing appear to indicate that it could be effective in reducing the symptoms of Alzheimer's.
But if you give the Alzheimer mice nilvatapine, this drug that we're developing, you can see they're at about the same level as the untreated, the normal mice.
Julia Parrish, the clinical research coordinator at the Roskamp Institute, says some of the drugs being developed for Alzheimer's patients might also be useful in treating head injuries suffered by U.S. troops in Iraq and Afghanistan.
To treat head injury, and some of the drugs that we're looking at in Alzheimer's disease look very useful in those models, so we're going to try and advance those forward into clinical trials.
The Roskamp Institute has a staff of 55 people, and while medical research is its primary concern, it's also getting into robotics. The Institute's motto is better science, real discovery. Charles Brown, SNN, Local News 6.
Now, Alzheimer's can be fatal. In fact, it is now the 7th leading cause of death in the United States.